like Albert Einstein says, don't try and be successful, try and be valuable. The only way you'll become successful is by being valuable.
Control. What characteristics make someone entrepreneurial?
Entrepreneurial, someone that's not thinking like a 9-to-5er. If you're watching the clock thinking at 5 o'clock I'm out of here, that's not an entrepreneur. That's not an intrapreneur. That's an employee mindset. Whereas if you're thinking, I don't work 9 to 5, I work start to finish. I'm thinking about the results, I'm thinking about the tasks, and I'm owning it.
You're quite big on everyone being intrapreneurial.
Yeah, so basically, definition of an intrapreneur, according to Samuel Leeds, is, I don't know if it's a term that's used a lot, but is an entrepreneur, but from within a company. So most entrepreneurs fail. Statistically, 80% of businesses fail. And of the 20% that apparently succeed, they don't succeed because most of them don't make any money anyway. They just don't get closed down. So to be an entrepreneur is lonely, is risky, is hard, is high pressure. Anyone that's solving problems is really an entrepreneur because most people either avoid problems or find problems. You know, they'll focus in on the problem. Whereas I want to be someone and surrounded by people who are, instead of doing that, who are constantly just finding solutions. Oh, there's a problem here. We've got this issue. You know, we haven't got a big enough venue, or this property, we can't get planning permission for this property. Okay, how can we get around this? Who can we speak to? I think that's the definition of an entrepreneur. So what I'm looking for is to find people who are natural born entrepreneurs, leaders, innovators, inspirers, and then have them inside the company, so they become intrapreneurs, and they bring their skill set, their creativity, their passion, their drive, their ambition. They're intrapreneurs that are part of the mission.
Big energy means big results.
Yeah, and have fun while you're working and enjoy what you're doing. Because I know I'm enjoying what I'm doing, and I'll be damned if I know that people are working within the company and they're hating it. There's no perfect business, there's no perfect system, there's no perfect company. We're certainly not perfect. I'm certainly not perfect, but that's certainly what I believe.
So do you think that anybody can be an entrepreneur?
No.
Do you think it's something that you can develop?
No, I don't think anyone can be an entrepreneur. I guess anyone can try and be an entrepreneur. Can anyone be successful? I guess without the correct training, without the support, without the desire, without the imprinted natural burning desire to do it. I mean, I don't know. I'm talking about someone that wants to go and make millions of pounds, have loads of staff, run a really big enterprise. That's kind of what I'm talking about when I'm saying you gotta have a deep burning desire, because there's going to be a lot of crap you have to go through to get to that. So people that become financially free, some of them have got the desire and the burn, and then I'll be like, hey, you need a mission. So what advice would I give to be a very serious entrepreneur? You've got to have the fire in your belly. You've got to have the burn. Some people have the fire in the belly, they have the burn, but then people dampen it, and because of fear and lack of support and lack of training, it doesn't come to anything. And then these people then are on their, you know, in their retirement saying, I wish I'd done this. I could have done this. I had the capability to do this. Yeah, but you didn't, because you chickened out. So what I'd say is, if you've got the fire, then just do it and get the support and take the risk. If you haven't got the fire and you don't want to do it, then that's fine. I think attitude is more important than skill. So if someone's got really good skills, but they've got not a great attitude, they don't love the company, they don't love what they're doing, then in my opinion, in my book, that would not be someone that I would want to hire. Everybody is born with a desire to do something. Some people are born with a desire to want to be dancers or singers or performers or investors, or I was born with a desire to run a business and help people. And when I say help people, it's because and some people think that that's like almost like, oh, but I run a business and make lots of money, but I do help people too, as if the two are contrary. But actually, if you're running a successful business, by definition, you're helping a lot of people. If you're doing it because it's cool, you know, it's cool, and I watched a few Gary Vaynerchuk videos, then you're gonna, if you do it as a side hustle, you're gonna get side hustle results.